Do you know what happens when a ship fails to anchor? This is a 10,000-ton ocean liner preparing to dock at this time. The crew controls the brakes carefully. Put the fur chain down little by little. The fur chains of giant ships are usually hundreds of meters long. It will usually be put away and placed in the fur chain compartment. Just as I was about to introduce further, an accident happened. The crew didn't control the brakes properly. Heavy fur chain. Start drilling uncontrollably into the sea. Fast as a Mustang. It's all dry and smoking. I just turned it up, turned around. Look at my crazy turn, isn't it? And finally, what would happen if this whip was struck on a person? Is there any way you can get him to stop?